Welcome back, everybody, here on this somewhat cool Tuesday night. The sky became partly cloudy this evening, and it is now partly cloudy, though we still have a few clouds back out here to the west, and these are producing just a few little light rain showers over here in Coles County and just edging into Edgar County. I've taken the chance of thunder showers out of the forecast, but I do believe we still have the possibility of a few scattered light rain showers. You can see a few little patchy showers here and there. And tomorrow it'll be noticeably cooler, especially compared to today, when we had a high today of 72 degrees. Oh, it was so nice. It was windy, but it was nice. Right now it's 52, so it's dropped 20 degrees. Casey has 57, Paris 54, Robinson 56, and Vincennes has 56 degrees, Linton 55. The wind has calmed down somewhat. Earlier this afternoon, in some cases, in some areas, I believe one was in Mattoon, we had a 36-mile-per-hour wind gust. Right now, we have a southeast breeze in Terre Haute at 7. I have a west breeze in Paris at 3, west in Mattoon at 7. So the wind is kind of light and variable. Wind straight out of the south in Vincennes at 10. So higher pressure is starting to take over a little bit. And so because of that, the wind is easing up somewhat. But once the sun comes out tomorrow, well, again, we're going to heat things up a bit and start to become breezy. So it's going to be kind of breezy tomorrow. Here's tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. We still have some scattered showers, at least in Indiana, parts of Indiana. And then we go through the day tomorrow, and there is this scattered chance of a few showers here and there. This is tomorrow at noon. Then we get into tomorrow afternoon. Here's 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then tomorrow night, see what happens. Just a few little scattered light rain showers are possible tomorrow night. And then we get into Thursday. And on Thursday morning, this is Thursday at 6 a.m., some scattered light rain showers possible. So we have this day-to-day chance of scattered light rain showers. It's not going to be an all-day drenching rain, but just pesky showers that come and go. So widely scattered showers tonight, 48 for the overnight low. And then for tomorrow, patchy showers, breezy, cooler, high tomorrow 59 degrees. And then tomorrow night, patchy showers and chilly down to 43 degrees for the overnight low tomorrow night. And the 7-day forecast, well, Thursday it's 56, Friday 58, Saturday 63, each day the possibility of a stray shower here and there. Sunday 69, Monday 69. By Tuesday of next week, finally we get back up to what would be a little more palatable for this time of year because it'll be up into the 70s anyway. Daytime high average ought to be around 70, 72 degrees.